Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you amazing inventions that are on an entirely whole new level. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
Alpha.
From the guys who brought you the 7 Messenger and Shift Pack comes our latest creation. Introducing the Air Sling. We've taken the best of our bigger bags and fit them in a compact form, perfect for everyday use. We designed the Air Sling to be able to carry all of your essentials in a sleek and adaptable way. Keep your phone charged with the USB port. Sorry dude, it's mine. The Air Sling is cut-proof and extremely hard-wearing. That's because it's made out of the most cut-resistant fabric in the world. Crafted out of the highest quality materials, the strap is so strong it can even tow a car. Keep your hands free when exploring the city. Compatible with your favorite accessories like quad lock, so you can quickly move into your daily commute. Magnetic clips are smooth and quick. Stay active without having to carry a massive backpack. Save time and hassles when on the move. And keep your valuables safe. Perfect for traveling. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and clutter. It's all right there. It's water resistant, stain proof, and exceptionally durable. Light, sleek, and totally essential. Air Sling by Alpaca.
A NOPE cooling clip radiator adopts advanced semiconductor refrigeration and cooling radiators to dissipate the heat in 3 seconds. Compared with the traditional cooling fan, it will reduce 50% gain lag. When cooling process starts, the cell phone will rapidly cooling down to 0 centigrade and transmit to the CPU with silicone grease to form a condensation cycle, continuously cooling your mobile phone. It only weighs 45 grams, adopting vacuum plating process to keep noiseless when working.
Introducing the future of fitness. It's every class you can imagine, live.
Welcome back to the mirror.
You've got this, John.
And on demand. It's bar, boxing, strength, cardio, yoga, and more. It's an interactive,
Relax your shoulders, Dan.
goal-crushing,
Keep that heart rate up.
whole family, whole body fitness machine.
We make it look easy. We make it look good. When everybody sees it.
Finally got my mirror up and running.
This is so cool.
Today you did an awesome job, and I hope you feel it.
So celebrate yourself. It's gonna feel so great.
The future of fitness is at home.
Even try.
The Mirror.
Simply, if you're on the go and care about your health, NeoFit Roller is for you. Just throw it in your bag and get on with your active life. But it's not just convenience we've created. We've designed a foam roller that performs at the highest level. Precisely configured high-density EVA foam connects with the contours of your body, and together with clever inner disc technology, breaks down muscle tightness, adhesions, and stiffness, hits deep into painful trigger points to maximize recovery and performance, and enhances joint health, mobility, and flexibility. Made from ultra-strong, lightweight, durable materials, NeoFit Roller can handle up to 350 pounds, while weighing less than 2 pounds. It's all part of an innovative patent-pending design that expands to 12 inches and collapses to just 4 inches.
What are the best things about friends and family? Knowing someone always has your back? Is it being around people who are full of energy?
Hello? All that money still died.
Hello? Oh, hey, dude.
Or having friends you can rely on, no matter what the occasion?
Hey guys. Hey. Our new demo sounds good.
Is it having someone spontaneous who can exceed your expectations?
Wow, our new demo sounds amazing.
5 minutes, guys.
Or someone you can just kick back and relax with. The things I value in my friends and family are the same things I value in my phone case. That's why I use a Turtle Cell. Groundbreaking protection, premium audio, and tangle-free convenience. Turtle Cell. Untangle your life.